Spring is a time of renewal, and that goes for your equestrian property as well. As the days get longer and the weather warms, it's the perfect time to shake off the winter blues and get your horse haven ready for the season. Here are some key areas to focus on for a healthy and happy spring for both you and your equine companions. Spring grass is like candy for horses, but be careful. It can be high in sugar and cause weight gain or digestive issues. Gradually introduce horses to lush pastures and consider using rotational grazing to prevent overgrazing and promote healthy regrowth. Winter storms can wreak havoc on fences. Check for any loose boards, leaning posts, or weak wires. Repair any damage promptly to ensure your horses stay safely contained. Give your barns, sheds, and arenas a thorough cleaning. Remove winter dirt, cobwebs, and old bedding. Disinfect surfaces to prevent the spread of bacteria. Spring is prime time for pesky parasites. Schedule a fecal egg count with your veterinarian to determine your horse's parasite load and follow their recommendations for deworming. Ensure your horses are up to date on all their vaccinations to keep them healthy and protected from preventable diseases. As the weather warms, horses will start shedding their winter coats. Regular grooming helps remove loose hair, promotes healthy skin, and allows you to check for any potential health concerns. Spring can also mean dry conditions. Clear any brush or debris around buildings to create a fire break, and ensure you have working fire extinguishers on hand. With a little preparation, you can create a safe and healthy environment for your equine friends to enjoy the beautiful season. By following these tips, you can ensure your equestrian property is ready to blossom alongside your horses this spring. Thanks for watching. We're United Country Real Estate, your experts on all things equine properties. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. Thanks again, and stay tuned for our next video.